Alright, hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Gerline, and so I just started the cosmetology program here in my city, and so I am excited. I just got my kit, and so I decided let's just go ahead and do an unboxing. I've never looked up to see what comes in a cosmetology kit, so we're gonna find this out together, okay? So they did give me a cosmetology checklist of the stuff that's in here just to make sure that we have it. So I'm just gonna go ahead and do that as well as I'm going through it. So this box is heavy. Along with the kit, I did get this bag here that has some stuff in there as well. So let's go ahead and unbox this. Okay. So let me know in the comments if you're thinking about starting cosmetology school, or have already started, or what have you. So let me know, because I would love to know as well. Alright, so before I dig into the box, let's go ahead and go see what's in here. So one of the things that came in there were this curling rod. So I got this, okay. And then I got this right here. I have no clue what's this. So it's it might be gel. I'm not sure. I got this right here. It looks like for when applying color, like a mixing bowl. I have hairspray. I got this hairspray. I got this practice finger right here. Let me open it. This finger. Because in the cosmetology program, we do learn nails and stuff like that. And I think this is wrapping paper, hair wrap paper. And then I also got a permanent color, cream color, pure pigments. So I have this. So that's all came in that bag. And then we use the My Lady as far as our books go. So everything that we got is that whole book thing. All right, so okay, so I guess this is a Naomi Budget Afro Mannequin. It's just a box. I have another one that says Deluxe Deborah Mannequin. Just a box. Another one, Deluxe Deborah Mannequin. Okay. And a Sam 2 Mannequin Brown. I have that in here. Alright, so I have a super clamp for mannequins, a holder. Some smooth rollers. I have an Ultra Elite hair dryer. There's a mannequin. Show your face, don't be shy. Show your face. She's gonna be shy today. 2, I guess they're all shy. They still don't want to show their face. Okay. 3. She already got a name. Her name is Susie. Miss Susie, not shy. Hey, Miss Susie, I like your blue eyes. So this is 4. Oh, we got one more. This is Tina. You already got your name? Okay. Tina. Oh, look at Miss Tina. Okay, Miss Tina. I got you, girl. And I guess this is the tote bag to carry all of my equipment in. So it looks like this. So this will be fun organizing. Yeah. Everything else is in this big old box right here. So, okay, we're back. The camera had got off centered, but yeah. So this is a big bag here, and they taped it pretty well to where I think I can open it without having to get scissors. So I have vinyl shampoo cape. I have 1, 2 of these. A stylist apron. This little kit right here, and it comes with of stuff, really. We got some scissors, whatever you call this thing. We got some tweezers, Davis's color filer, nail clipper, a brush, a nail brush, this styling tool. Some perm rods. Oh, I guess they call them wave, what is it called? Cold wave rods. Okay, that's the proper term. So I got different ones. Okay. So I have different ones, different sizes. A cape, a nylon cape. Yeah, so this comes along. Okay, we're done. Callus remover. It's a tint brush set. Okay, so this is it. Have a brush, a paddle brush. Okay, this is serious. Some serious stuff. So I think it's like a manicure clipper, all-star combo pack, cream developer right here, processing caps, another bowl, 9-piece combo roll-up kit. What's this? What's this? 10 curl clips. This comes with 8. I make thermal brush. Ow! This looks like it's been through some things. Yeah, some butterfly clamps, a manicure bowl, 2 spray bottles, foot file, makeup mirror, ceramic brush, another ceramic brush, but these are different sizes. I have another ceramic styling brush. Right here. A fine tooth rat tail combs. And mind you guys, I know nothing about hair color, and that's one of the things that I'm really looking forward to learning in this program. So yeah, these are fine tooth combs right here. Yeah, as a hairstylist, man, you go through so much combs, like so many combs, it's ridiculous. And don't ask me what happened to my hair, I just don't know. Like, what's going on? Oh, I have a 60-minute still timer. Got my little nail polish, sheer razor kit. High quality Japanese stainless steel. Okay, let's show y'all. This is what it looks like. Tipping caps, never used these before. Flat iron. So that's everything out of the bag, y'all. So this is a lot of stuff. Like I knew the kit would have a lot of stuff, but yeah, this is a lot of stuff. So what I'm about to do real quick is just take everything and put it in the box, but while I'm doing it, I will be going through my little checklist here, just making sure that everything is here. All right, so I hope you guys enjoyed this little quick unboxing video, and yeah, so I will be sharing bits and pieces throughout my cosmetology school process, my school program, so I look forward to sharing and then also just practicing, just showing, trying to get better with my skill set and things like that. So hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you have not checked out my home salon makeover video, I will link it in the description box below. And yeah, that's about it, y'all. That's about it. So this channel has a wide variety of stuff. So it's just the things that I do: cosmetology, home decor, DIY projects, event planning, all of that good stuff is going to be on this channel. So if you like that type of stuff, go ahead and hit that subscribe button just to let me know that this is the type of stuff that you like. And then if there are specific videos you would like for me to do, just let me know in the comments below, okay? So thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you on my next one.